A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Greetings, welcome back or welcome to the channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. My name is NAJEE and we're doing a series on miracles, signs and wonders that Jesus and his disciples performed. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you like the video, subscribe, comment and share. Luke 17 verses 11 to 19. Jesus did depon him way a go a Jerusalem when him passed through the part where Samaria and Galilee meet up. Same time Jesus a go in a one district. 10 man who did have one sickness we make them skin fussy come up to him. Them name come too close but turn little away from him. And all out say, Jesus, teacher, help we. Do. When Jesus see them, him say, go and go make the priest look on you. When them depon them way, them get better. One of them see them get better and turn back and praise God loud. Him throw himself at Jesus' foot and thank him. And him a did one Samaritan. Jesus asked him say, I know 10 of you did get better. Where the other 9 there? Nobody else no come back come praise God? A uncle that foreigner you one? Then Jesus said to the man say, get up and go your yard. You believe and at that make you get better. A God word this? Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.